Hey, beautiful people. Hope all is well. This is Victoria here. So, I just wanted to remind everyone who's an entrepreneur who's looking for different ways to market your business or find other ways to create lucrative streams of income to join me next week, Sunday, December 15th, for my revenue growth masterclass taking place on Google Meet. 1 to 2:30 p.m. It's going to be a lot of fun. We will be getting down to work. I will be teaching you how to truly tap into your intuition, trust your intuition when it comes to creating these amazing, innovative ideas that make sense to you, that is aligned with your energy, aligned with your value, aligned with your purpose in order to create these revenue streams of income. So when I mean revenue streams of income, what does that look like? It means creating masterclasses, creating membership programs, events, pop-ups, online stores, ebooks, affirmation stuff, anything that helps your customers and your clientele to feel motivated and inspired by you, the person. And so that's what we're going to be doing for 90 minutes on December 15th from 1 to 2:30 p.m. So here's some bonuses to get you going. You get a 15-minute private scheduled call with me for additional support and additional implementation. We will be implementing a lot of things. It's not just me talking, but it's you on your laptop implementing and me guiding you through the implementation. The next thing is you get a guest appearance on my podcast, What's Your Brand Story, to talk about these new revenue streams of income that I'm going to be helping you implement. The next thing you're going to get is a checklist of 10 ways to consistently improve my revenue streams of income for 2025, which is very necessary and needed. And the last thing is first 5 people to sign up, they get a business spotlight shout out on Monday Night Soulful Conversations. So be sure to join me. I have 9 spots left, and the first 5 people get an opportunity to be featured on my business spotlight shout out, which takes place on Monday Night Soulful Conversations with my community. This is an amazing opportunity for you to not spend money on like Facebook ads or Instagram ads or anything like that, because you're connecting with people in real time who trust me, who in turn will trust you, and you're able to have a following organically, because people are getting to know you on a personal level, know your energy and your passion about what you do. So this is definitely a win-win type of opportunity where you get to connect with my community on 3 different platforms. So normally I would do it on YouTube, but I decided to invest a little bit because you're investing. So why don't I invest, right? So I decided to become a member of StreamYard, not only free, but like a monthly membership, so that I can go live stream on YouTube, Twitch, and Facebook for you to get the best out of my community, which I know is extremely important for you to have as many people to gain eyes on who you are, your products, your services, your business, so on and so forth. As an entrepreneur, it's a never-ending thing. It's showing up and showing out every single day, even on the days when you're tired. And I know what that feels like. So when I was putting together this masterclass, I thought about all those things in order for me to help you, not only with the lucrative streams of income and the creative ideas, but also how to truly market and connect with the clients and the ideal customers that you would want to work with, because it's business and business is ever going. And sometimes you have to come up with new ideas. You have to come up with new types of ways of doing things where your business is concerned. And this is where I come in to help you with that. I've done so many different things that were lucrative streams of income that I still do to this day. And I add more as I go, because again, entrepreneurship is something that you have to consistently work on. You always have to ask yourself, what sets you apart from everyone else that does what you do? What is that thing about you that people need and want and desire that only you can offer? So these are the things that we're going to be working on next week, Sunday, December 15th, 1 to 2:30 p.m. at the Revenue Stream Masterclass on Google Meet. Now, of course, everything is an investment, right? So the investment for everything that I just mentioned is only $72.75, valued at $97. And again, the first 5 people to sign up will receive a free business spotlight shout out, which is normally $25. You get that for free the following Monday on my Monday Night Soulful Conversations. among other things that I'll be doing as well. So if this sounds interesting to you and you've been looking for a different way to market yourself, to create lucrative streams of income within your business that aligns with your energy, your talents, your gifts, your purpose, your mission, this is the Masterclass for you. So definitely check it out. Register, join, and let's get you positioned for greatness in 2025.